Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. A small update regarding the new margin rules which are applicable in the cash segments from tomorrow, that is 1st September 2020. So humble request, watch the video till the end, otherwise you will miss the important update and you can be at losses or even can face some problem from tomorrow if you are not knowing the rules. So first, those who are enjoying, that means those who are trading in the cash segments. So first for them, this video is watch till the end. First, those who are doing a BTST. First, what is the meaning of BTST? By BTST मतलब आज buy करना और कल से मतलब buying today and sell tomorrow. So that means what happened earlier means if you are buying today 1 lakh worth of Reliance shares and selling tomorrow immediately, witness selling tomorrow and again buying another stock, that is Maruti, with that amount. So that means what if you were having a 1 lakh rupees in your account, you were buying 1 lakh rupees Reliance shares today and selling tomorrow, and without waiting for the actual settlement, that is without T plus 2, that means in India it takes T plus 2 for the settlement, and without waiting for the settlement completed, you were buying another stock, that is a Maruti, on that 1 lakh rupees only, because later on the pay in payout will get adjusted as per this one. This was existing, but now new, that is what BTA new Sabhi proposed, that if you are buying today and selling tomorrow, then you need to wait. You cannot buy another stock till the actual completion. So that means if you are having a, no, what is a loophole? So what is, if you are having suppose a 1 lakh rupees, buy only the 50,000 worth today and sell tomorrow. So this 50,000 will get blocked because till its actual completion, but you are having remaining 50,000 thousand in your spare. You can use those 50,000 to buy the another stock tomorrow. This is the one loophole which you can do. Now second, मार्जिन लगेगा, मतलब यू नीड टू पे फर्स्ट मार्जिन ऑन सेल्स पे भी, मतलब पहले तो बाई पे सुना था, अब सेल्स पे भी, मतलब अगर आप बेचोगे तो भी आपको मार्जिन पे करना पड़ेगा. मतलब क्या, समझो, इफ यू आर हैविंग अ 10 lakh worth shares and if you want to sell tomorrow, if you want to sell today or tomorrow anyway, selling, but you selling, you need to pay first 20%, that is 10 lakh into 20%, that is 2 lakh must be deposited with your broker for selling those shares, otherwise you will not be allowed to sell the shares. Now with this, there is a problem for those to whom the problem should be faced. Now suppose if you are having a if you have got a crores of shares in a lump sum, that is by the way of inheritance, by your will or by inheritance, and worth of 10 crore shares, and you are a normal retailer, and if you want to sell those 10 crore shares today, so that means for selling those 10 crore shares, you need to pay 2 crores margin. How you will bring the 2 crores margin? These retailers, those who have a normal income, will face this issue. So for this, brokers, traders have went with the SEBI to remove this margin on the sales, because they will face or give some relaxation on this sales. So this was the one प्रॉब्लम. ये लोग जो आपको अगर कोई इनहेरिटेंस में मिल रहा है और अगर आपको 10 करोड़ के शेयर अगर आप बेचोगे तो आपको 2 करोड़ की तो मार्जिन पे करना पड़ेगा. तो ये चीज को कम करने के लिए या इसको ये प्रॉब्लम सेटने के लिए ऑलरेडी उस पर मीटिंग चल रही है. लेट्स सी व्हाट सेबी टेल्स इन दिस. नाउ थर्ड, suppose you have purchased some stocks and having whose market value or having a worth of suppose 20 lakh rupees. So what you were doing to, early today till now till today, that you were using the margin against your stock, that is your broker were allowing a margin against your stock, that is leverage. You were allowing, a broker was allowing a leverage against your stocks. But now from tomorrow, if you want to use the margin against your stock, फर्स्ट यू नीड टू प्लेज योर शेयर्स. दैट मीन्स आपको गिरवी रखना पड़ेगा आपके शेयर्स, आपको प्लेज करना पड़ेगा विथ योर ब्रोकर के पास. मतलब अगर आपकी ऑलरेडी आप लोग जब आपने डिपेंड अकाउंट खुला था, जब आप लोग ने एक पावर ऑफ अटॉर्नी पूछता है डीमैट, अगर आप लोग ने वो साइन कर दिया तो आपको कल एक टीपिन वेरिफिकेशन करवा के आपके शेयर्स को प्लेज करवाना पड़ेगा पहले आपके ब्रोकर के पास. देन again, then you can, upon pledging a portion, then you can continuously, then you can continue to use same as till today margin against your stocks. ओके. सो एंश्योर, अगर आपको स्टॉक्स के अगेंस्ट मार्जिन यूज करना है कल से, तो पहले आपको प्लेज कराना पड़ेगा आपके ब्रोकर के पास. नाउ अब इंट्राडे करने वालों के लिए, भाई इंट्राडे करने वालों के लिए अभी तक कोई कुछ चेंजेस आया नहीं है कैश मार्केट में. उसके कुछ न्यू रूल्स विल कम फ्रॉम अगस्त 2021. नाउ, and also one more important update, suppose if you want to buy any shares buy any shares worth rupees 1 lakh, first you need to deposit upfront premium, that is the 20%. मतलब पहले 20,000 आपको सौदा करते वक्त, मतलब ट्रेड करते वक्त आपको 20%, दैट इज 20,000 पहले इनिशियली डिपॉजिट कराना पड़ेगा आपके ब्रोकर के पास. रिमेनिंग 80,000 वो आपके ब्रोकर की कंडीशन के, या तो T+1 T+2 या बेस्ड अपॉन योर ब्रोकर कंडीशन आप रिमेनिंग अमाउंट उसको पे कर दो. बट अगर आपको बाई करते वक्त आपके अकाउंट में 20,000 में, मतलब जो स्टॉक्स के वर्थ आप खरीद रहे हो उसके 20% एटलीस्ट आप पहले डिपॉजिट कराना पड़ेगा, तभी आप शेयर्स को बाई कर सकोगे. होप आई प्रोवाइडेड यू अ न्यू provided you all the new changes which have been applicable from tomorrow. Anyways, stay connected, stay updated, and also if you know for more continuous updates on the stock market, you can join my channel, Telegram channel, whose link I'm attaching in the description box, and also subscribe the channel and press the notification bell for the continuous updates. Bye bye, take care.